everyone, Justin Burns here, and I want to walk you through how ScriptEngage works. I'm going to walk you through all the features so you can just see how amazing and powerful and also intuitive we've made the software. So once you log in, you're going to be taken to the ScriptEngage dashboard, where you're going to see obviously some video training and then whatever recent templates. Okay, so we base everything in ScriptEngage off of avatar and templates. Okay, so once you create an avatar, it's always going to be associated with a template so that you can change the questions when you want, and also it'll be very, very easy for you to also edit the script. So what I'm going to do to get started is to click new avatar, and what it's going to do is take me to questions. Okay, now once you create the questions, you only have to do it once. Okay, that's what makes our software really powerful, is that all you have to do is just answer the question. We call these avatars. Okay, so you're just going to go in and name your avatar, whatever it is, whatever profile. So you can name it like, webinar promotion avatar or something like that, right? Then as you see, we have a set of questions that you are going to go through. So what's the age of your avatar? What's the gender? What's the education level? What's their relationship status? Okay, then you're going to go to what's called the USP framework, and this is where we're going to go into things like the epiphany moment and what was the end result. What benefits do they want? Why should they listen to you? What are they showing? What are you showing them to do? Okay, this is going to start to help you craft your unique sort of messaging. Okay. Step 3, we're going to go through the pain point. So we're going to ask a lot of pain questions, okay? So what is the pain they want to avoid? What are the major problems that they face? What does your product do to help them avoid that pain, okay? Then we're going to get into the offer. So we've made this to where you can promote lead magnets, webinars, services, whatever it is, okay? So you want to kind of, label what person is writing this, what's the product name, and then you could choose whether it's a product, webinar, service, giveaway, lead magnet, coaching program, or high ticket program. Now then you can go in and kind of talk about the price of your product, and then you can kind of label, do you have an OTO? If you do have OTO, then it's going to have a drop down box. And if you don't, then you don't need to add that. Then what is your guarantee? Okay. Will your product have bonuses? If you do, then the drop down is going to come down. If not, then we'll just keep it that way. And also testimonials. Let's go to call to action. So it's just very simple. You're just going to go in and kind of choose the call to actions on your ad and also at the end of your sales copy. Then you're going to go into the wrap up. Okay. So this is where you are going to come in and kind of name your persona, your website, put in really just some of the details like your Facebook profile, different things like that. You're going to save this profile, and then what's going to happen is you're going to be taken to the generate script page. Okay, so now you can see we are on this particular avatar. So whenever you create an avatar, it is going to be in the drop down menu. Now, as you can see, we've thought through this very well. Okay, so as you can see, when you get here, you are going to have your main categories. So you're going to have funnel scripts, webinar scripts, advertising scripts, joint venture scripts, e-commerce scripts, email scripts, OTO scripts, headline scripts, high ticket scripts, phone scripts, affiliate marketing scripts, miscellaneous scripts. Okay, no, it's a lot of scripts, but we wanted to again bring that experience of having the ability to create every type of script that you can think of. Okay, and so your buyers are going to get a lot of value out of this. So let's just say I'm going to go ahead and create some type of funnel scripts. I'm going to click on funnel scripts. As you can see, it opens up the actual scripts. So it opens up short form sales letters, free plus shipping offer scripts. So much long form sales letter. Let me just show you also some of the other scripts we have. So when you click on webinar scripts, we have the webinar opt-in, the webinar thank you, the follow-up emails. Okay, so every section is designed, as you can see, very intuitive, very easy, so that your buyers can obviously create as many scripts. So in advertising scripts, you have Facebook ad scripts, sponsored tweets, PPC ads, banner ads. You can go to joint venture, headlines, But what I want to do is show you just some of the categories that are probably not available in other software, okay? Other software is just like this. So as you can see, we've added phone scripts that have things like cold calling, short sales scripts, LinkedIn appointment scripts. Again, we've thought about this. In high ticket scripts, you have email follow-up sequences, strategy session, thank you page. We help you, again, your buyers to create the ultimate experience. So let me show you how everything works. So I'm just going to click on the script we have in here. I'm just going to show you an example. So what I'm going to do is just click our cold prospecting email. As you can see, it's generating the script, and there it is. Okay, now it's not going to be fully filled out, but I just want to show you this is our editor. So we're just going to label this Justin test script. Just going to label it like that. And then what I have the ability to do is go in here and I'm able to customize this script if I want to. So we also have a image editor where people can kind of, again, if they want this to look like a sales letter, they can go in here and kind of navigate to our images. We're going to also add other images so they can add countdown timers, add to cart, other experiences, just so they can make it look like a real email, or they can upload their own images as well. Okay. Now, if they want to, we have this feature called add a section where you can go in here and add your headlines, bullet points, problem frameworks, benefits, the whole thing. So I'm just going to click on headline. And as you can see, we're going to be adding different headlines in here. So the whole point of this is that we wanted to make it just so, even though our software spits out some amazing scripts, we wanted to make sure that, again, they are able to customize a script the way that they want. So they could change the size, the font, different things like that. So what I'm just going to do is I have the ability from there to save my script, or go ahead and press the PDF, export as a PDF, a PowerPoint, a Word, or a Google document, okay? So again, we wanted to make this as easy as possible. You can also go to the Save Templates screen as well. And so then you could go to the training section. It has training section, and probably this is going to be updated because we've also added a webinar and VSL creator, which is going to spit out webinar and VSL scripts. Okay. So again, if I wanted to look at my templates, as you can see, each avatar is always attached to a template name. And this makes it easy if you wanted to make some changes to your avatar, or if you wanted to go in and make some changes to a script. Again, we wanted to make this as easy as possible for you and your customers and make this awesome. Okay, so if you have any questions, just hit up me or Carl and we will answer any questions that you have. But this is an awesome piece of software. We love it. It's going to save your customers time. And let us know if you have any questions. Talk to you soon.